Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing a 2-in-1 body groomer from KENSEN. The model is a Series S2. You could use it wet, dry. It is waterproof and is battery operated. KENSEN. So inside you'll get the body groomer. What else? Oh, so this says model is SF2200, made out of ABS plastic, AA, not included. And of course, I don't have batteries with me, huh? Why would they not include the battery? Just give us some cheap batteries. Try and think of if I have any batteries over here. Alright, so out of the box, what do we have? Here's the little carrying bag. Nice, soft. A little cleaning brush. So here's the 2-in-1 head, huh? So this one looks like more of a shaver, right? And then this, with a cap. Ooh, look at that. So it has the aluminum shield here. And then you have the sides. All right, that's pretty nice. So let me see if I can find a battery. Just my luck. I don't think I have any batteries next to me. Oh, I know. Let's see. I'm gonna get the battery out of my previous shaver here. Hopefully it's the same size. I think it is. All right, so as you can see, everything's all ABS plastic. Even that. Okay, so let's twist that off. Put the battery positive up. Oop. And then it has a nice little seal here to kind of keep it waterproof. Twist it back on. Okay. Yeah, seems nice. Comes with a shield, which I like. All right, so let's see. Let's take out this head here. So I think I see some arrows back here. So a little twist. Ooh. Put some little jelly in there to kind of keep it protected. So there you go. Put it on and twist. There you go. Okay. Is there a instruction manual? There you go. Wow, they gave us just a big little fold out thing here, huh? So, yeah, here you go. Oh, that one's in Russian. Let's see. Italian. Okay, so we already did the battery. Just want a quick look to see. So here's multi-functional shaver head or shag. You can trim long hair with the trimmer. And then this one here, it doesn't really tell you which one is for which one really. So you could take off the head like that to rinse it. All right, well, okay, well, I guess you just use it how you think it works. Which head, whatever you feel like, huh? All right, again, this is the KENSEN Series 2. The button's plastic too, so, I mean, plastic's fine. I mean, nothing wrong with it. I wouldn't say it's a premium plastic or a premium feel, but, you know, it's light. It doesn't feel too cheap, but, you know, it looks nice. And it has good reach. All right. What do you think? All right. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments, leave it below. Again, this is the KENSEN Series 2. I'll see you on the next one.